Okay, welcome to my hotel room that I have been living out of for the past week and the past 3 days, filming a short film in, which has been an interesting experience to say the least. But this video is to tell you that it's time for another one of my favorite things to do on this channel, and that is a giveaway. Let's get into it. Okay, many of you know, if you watch this channel, that I am a big fan of Western Rise, and they are a big supporter of this channel, as I have a discount code ODIE, that's ODIE, that can get you up to 30% off your order right now, which is fantastic. So you can head over to Western Rise and use that discount code. But this giveaway is actually brought to you by Western Rise. My Western Rise person that I talked to, that's in charge of like the affiliates and everything, she reached out to me and was like, hey, would you like to do a giveaway for your subscribers and for your channel? And I said, you know what? Absolutely, because I love doing giveaways. So right now on my channel, there's 3 prizes: first place, second place, and third place. First place being a pair of their new Evolution 2.0 pants, which are absolutely phenomenal. I am a huge fan of these pants. They are one of my absolute favorites, and they are perfect for travel. Second place is going to be an Airlift 2.0 jacket. Now, I am a huge fan of my Airlift 2.0 jacket. It is a great jacket for that semi-cold weather, not quite teetering like 30 degrees and below, but between that 30 and 55 degrees is an absolute perfect jacket that I cannot recommend enough. And third place is a cotton tee. I like their cotton tees. They're one of my absolute favorites as well. They're pretty much my go-to everyday t-shirt. They're plain, they're basic, and they're extremely comfortable. Absolutely phenomenal. Okay, now to enter, it's very simple. All you have to do is head over to Western Rise's Instagram and give them a follow, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then comment down below what you would do with any of those items if you won, or why they would benefit your wardrobe, or something that you like about them, or why you'd be excited to win them. And then based off those comments, I will take somebody, put them into a random name generator thingy where it does algorithm stuff, and then it spits out a name, and that person is the winner. And then I do that again for second place, and again for third place. And I always respond to the winner with a comment, but I will always go through and love everybody's. I love reading them all, and I do read every single one, and then I try to go back through after the giveaway to reply to some of them, but there's a lot and it's hard, so I apologize. But I do try to reply to all of them, because I'm always excited to see what you guys will do with any of the prizes or any of the giveaways that I do on this channel. So I hope you enter. I hope you go over there and give them a follow. Enjoy Western Rise for the holidays. I'm really excited that they gave me this opportunity to bring this to you, so give them a thank as well. And with all of that being said, I am very excited to show you guys the short film that I've been working on here the next couple of weeks. I'm super excited to also show you the music video that I've been working on, which is super exciting. But with all of that, I'm just super excited that you guys are part of this channel going in to one of my favorite times of the year, when it gets cold and snowy and dreary and gloomy and wonderful. So thank you guys for all the love and support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all of that wonderful nonsense. And I will see you next time.